Hey everybody, for today's SAT math question, we are on a no calculator test. Which of the following equations has a graph in the xy plane for which y is always greater than or equal to -1? Go ahead and pause the video and come up with your response, and then press play. So our first option here, y equals the absolute value of x minus 2. Absolute value is a V shape, and then it is shifted down 2, which is going to give me an output or a y value that is less than -1. So what that would look like is about like this, and I've got some y values here that are less than -1. Next, I have y equals x squared minus 2. That is a parabola, and it is shifted down 2. So it's going to look about like this, and I have y values less than -1 again. Next, I have x minus 2 quantity squared. So x minus 2, that's a particular number squared. That will always give me a positive output. So I cannot have any negative outputs or any negative y values here. So that is actually going to be my option. So what actually happens here is this shifts two units to the right. It's a parabola shifted 2 units to the right, so it's going to look like that. But what we need to recognize is that a quantity squared will always be a positive number, so we will not have any negative y values, so certainly none less than -1. The last one is a cube function. It's shifted down 2, so it would look about like this. So the only viable option here for number 10 is option C.